Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Audi A4 Bluetooth music. First, ensure your Audi A4's MMI system is on and your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable. It's best to park your vehicle safely before beginning. On your MMI, press the Setup button, then navigate to the Telephone or TEL menu. This is where we will start the pairing process for your device. Once in the Telephone menu, select Bluetooth from the options presented. Then, choose Search for New Device or Add New Device. Your Audi A4 will now begin scanning for available Bluetooth devices nearby. On your phone, you should see Audi MMI or a similar name appear in your Bluetooth settings. Select this option on your phone to initiate the connection. After selecting your Audi MMI on your phone, a 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the MMI screen. Carefully compare these numbers to ensure they match exactly. If they do, accept the pairing request on your phone within a few seconds. Your phone should then display a message confirming it is now connected to your Audi A4's Bluetooth system. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy your music. Press the Media button on your MMI system. From the media source options, select Bluetooth Audio or BT Audio. Open your favorite music app on your phone and begin playing a song. You can control the volume using either your phone or the Audi's MMI controls for a seamless listening experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.